You hear that? You can't hear it? That's what's the problem with youth today. You don't know what good music is. This is a good tape. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while since we've done a video. We have had this bad boy in our garage for over a month now. This is a 10-watt UV laser. What's UV stand for?
Ultraviolet.
That's right, ultraviolet. We just went over that. So Noah wanted to learn a little bit about the UV laser, so do I, and I'm sure you guys do too. But we're gonna be unboxing a fair amount of stuff today to go with our setup. So we have the 10-watt UV laser from Tian. Our friends over there send it out to us to do this unboxing and check it out and see if we can make some cool stuff with it. I've got the XYZ table from Blackwell Engineering, and this is a great machine. We have the Lens Digital PiBurn Grip, and we are going to be putting it on an American Pi. So we have an air assist kit from our friends over at Light Source Engraving, and we have a few more goodies from PiBurn. I'm not sure what's in this box or this bag. So,
but it's goodies, probably.
It's goodies. You wanna do it first?
Yeah.
Let's see what. Here, you open it. Let's see what it is. That one looks easy, and then we'll get into what gummy bears. Oh, I think that this is the. Is there screws and stuff in there? Oh, check that out. Look at that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Bottle opener.
Yeah, that's cool.
The butterflies, it's like their logo. It's pretty cool. I like this butterfly the best, the one that's on the tape with the circuitry. It's very cool. But all right, well, I say thank you, Stan. Thank you, Lynn.
We gotta test them out.
Yeah, we gotta test these bad boys out. So we're unboxing some gummy bears too today. These are the world famous ones that they send out. Lord, I can't get them open. There you go. Oh, they smell great. Smell them. Oh my gosh.
No, they're melted.
Oh, they're melted? Well. All right, now we have gummy patty. All right, have a bite. Hey, it works. Pretty good. All right. Well, I'm chewing now. Everybody hears me chewing. So I'm pretty sure that this is the mount for the grip if you wanted to put it on the fiber breadboard. But we got other plans for it. I seen something on the forum the other day, and Stan called it a cat dog configuration. You know what a cat dog is, right? The cat dog. Oh my gosh, you're so young. It's a cat on one end and a dog on the other, and they share the body. So anyway, we're gonna do that. But stay tuned, and we'll show you what this 10-watt UV can do. Right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's put some hair on. Bro. You're gonna have to use Joey's hat. He left it here yesterday. There you go. All right, now we're wigs.
If they heard us talking, they'd be like.
Anyway, so yeah, your hot water comes in here, it goes and cools it, and then as it cools it, this is the outlet, this is where your cold water would come out. It would go to the laser tube, which is in here, and it cools it down.
All right.
What? No way. Oh, that is pretty. So I've just seen the videos of these things. I never held one yet. So
more gummy bears.
You see more? Man, how come you worried about the gummy bears? I always worried about the gummy bears. Say you wanted to do the edge of this coin. You could put it in here, rotate this down, and now look. The coin's not going to come out. It's not going to move. It's not going to slip. I mean, actually.
That's actually pretty cool.
Look.
That's actually cool.
I'm holding on to the coin. The coin is holding. Oh! I was about to say, I don't know if it's going to last long because I didn't tighten it down real tight. But that was pretty impressive. It held up for a good while. Look at that. And that I am holding. So you can see how big of an item that we just got, and it can go bigger. That was only about maybe 45 or 50%. But now it'll turn it around like this if we wanted it to.
That's pretty cool.
All right, so I'm more excited about the grip than I am the laser. Let's move on. Hold on. I'm like Kenny G.
That's cool how it's adjustable and stuff.
Dude, I'm right in the middle of my solo. You don't even know who Kenny G is, are you?
What?
This is a Blackwell Engineering low profile XY table. And it comes equipped with sweetness right out of the box.
That looks like, that's actually a good logo.
Oh man, this is a sweet logo. And if you buy the table, you get a lot of his goodies. So here is the table. The beautiful part about this table is it is so precise that this little line right here, when we move this dial, this table moves 1/10 of a millimeter. Very cool, thing that he engineered, so definitely having his name in it, Blackwell Engineering. These guys right here are threaded for M6. So what's cool about the normal M6, your normal M6 bolts, M6 by 1, because these are the same thread pitch, right? You can hold them up like that, and you see they mate together perfectly.
Yeah.
If they mate together perfectly, then you know they're the same thread pitch. But this is a normal M6, right? Which takes a 5mm and it screws right down into here, right? Well, what Matthew's done, so you can secure this thing to the table, he has found M6 threaded bolts that, you see how it threads right down in there just like this one? Yep. Except for this is a different size. Oop. This is a different size, it won't even move it. But this one works fine. The reason he did that is so you could use these holes on the bottom and mount it to the table.
Yeah.
And the only way you can mount it through the table is to have move this over if you wanted to, just to make it easier. But if you if you had to have it set to where you put it on, by him doing a 4mm head means you can get the wrench through these holes right here and tighten it down, because you can't get this wrench through that hole to tighten these down, but you can get the 4mm through these holes and tighten these down. This is the V4 American Pie Edition. It's got magnetic feet on it for sweetness. But yeah, so what we're gonna do in that quote unquote cat dog configuration is we're gonna put the grip on the one side. And so if we need to use it for cups, whatever, we can do it over here. If we're gonna use it for dog bowls or larger cups or full wraps or something, we can do it on this side.
Let's get to this bad boy right here.
The Tian 10-watt laser.
Do this.
Oh!
I'm up in heaven now. After you just hit me with that. Pretty nice, huh? Windy.
Whoa, dudes. Wow, that's an odd looking guy, huh?
It is a little odd, but it's okay. We can still work with it.
Okay, you got that side? It's okay. Let it down. Set it down. You about to throw it through the roof.
It wasn't heavy.
So
it's
strong.
just I left it down.
No, this thing ain't nowhere near as heavy as one for the PiBurn. Oh my gosh.
I just said it's not heavy. At least I didn't think
We've
it was
got our
heavy.
beautiful Tian sticker on the front of there. And yeah, it is not pronounced Hoatian. It is pronounced Tian. Up, down. What? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Well, I did not realize it was going to come with the Auto Z. Thank you, Pascal. Thank you very much, Mr. Lui. So, we only got the one more thing to grab up out of here, I believe, and that is the, well, AutoZ. Well, there's a few things in here.
There is.
The AutoZ tower.
You got that?
Good gracious.
Oh, you got some glasses?
This,
You always need those.
Here, come up right over here. See, look at that. This is where that.
I think that's another table.
Yeah, well, I think it's probably the tower mount. So you got one more thing there. Well, we need those. Those are O-rings. And this thing's got water going through it, so I'd say O-rings are pretty important. So yeah, this is unlike some of the rest of the ones. Well, that's it. Box is empty.